It was 4:45 on a Sunday afternoon when Mrs. Nala Khichane conducted a cooking session for Healthy by Choice. It was quite few people who attended, honestly. It was 7 ladies and 1 gentleman. Mr. Falang Khichane was introducing the agenda of the day, introducing people, trying to explain what was going to happen that day. It was such a lovely Sunday, a Sunday filled with joy, excitement. As you can look at our faces right on the picture, we look happy, satisfied, and jolly. We were sharing some jokes and we were laughing because we have our nutritional therapist, Mr. Falang Khichane. He is the one who was explaining everything, what will happen and what will not happen. By the way, did I ever tell you a story about how merging our talents are? Our gifts are collaborating. Yeah, we are lifting up a millet, and now we're ready to look at our recipe pamphlet to actually see what is going to happen and how to do the millet pudding. It was a beautiful recipe I've created from scratch. I've dreamed about this recipe. It is a recipe that is so special to me. It's very close to my heart. Now everyone is focusing, looking at the pamphlets. We're all taking action. We're still breaking an ice because we had some guests who were visiting us, our students. They were so happy and thrilled to actually look at us putting every word into action. They say life is a chapter. It is like a book with so many different pages. Now look at us taking action, peeling, talking. I love cooking sessions with few people because they become very intimate. We get a chance and we get to know each other better. We build a long-lasting relationship with our clients, with our customers, with our workers. And of course, it makes us grow on a daily basis. They say it requires the next person to figure out something about yourself. That day, I found something about myself that I am unique indeed. And I found something that I may not think that the world needs me, but actually it does. For I am unique, like no one that has ever been before or will ever come after me. No one can speak with my voice, say my piece, smile like I do, or shine my light. Here I am there trying to blend the very first sauce, and here we are tasting. It was so nice and lovely. Everyone was excited. The taste was out of this world. As you can see, our smiles. It was so fun and beautiful. Now we are trying to clean the blender for the next item. Well, people were busy going up and down, asking questions. We're trying to explain each and every step. The stoves, we gave each other chances to explain, to ask. It was so beautiful. And then people were in action. What is more important when you are attending a cooking session is to be hands-on. Because if you don't practice it and you are just watching and listening, it might be in vain for you to attend the cooking class. Practice makes perfect, they say. Let your light shine all the time. Working for the things you have, helping people. We are talking, we are demonstrating, we are guiding, we are answering questions. So next time, do yourself a favor by attending our cooking sessions. It's a class that is different than the others. It is led by the one who's above. There is a statement I came across. It says, champions have the courage to keep turning the pages because they know a better chapter lies ahead. In life, we start small. We think big and we go big. Here's Mr. Falang, the nutritional therapist, explaining. Wow. I'm now listening at the music that is playing on our background. It's actually me who is singing there. I released a CV in 2021 June when I was pregnant with my last born. It was so beautiful. It was such a beautiful experience to walk with God through music. We are peeling. We are getting ready for the next item. It was an ordinary and peaceful Sunday that is filled with delightful laughter and high-spirited fun and games. We're even singing in the kitchen. We're looking at each other, sharing some jokes. Yeah, I loved that day. It was so special to me. Having people who can come and honor your event. Happiness and joy. Those are important things in life to invest in. Now we're indulging, taking some pictures, dishing our food. Yes, an extroverted me making funny faces because I'm excited for the food. And we had our guests eating, sharing the table, some laughter, brushing shoulders together. Here's our dessert, our strawberry dessert and our millet pudding. We have our food being recorded. We'll share the details when you come the next time. A smile can win over friends and enemies alike. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.